This is St. Peter Paul Church, Calasiao. May nakasulat na Chus Petros. Ibig sabihin, you are Peter or thou art Peter. At sa kabila naman, may nakasulat na Edificapo Ecclesiam Meam. Ibig sabihin, I will build my church. At sa kabila nakasulat ang It Super Petram. Ibig sabihin, upon this rock. At yan ang sabi ni Panginoong Jesus noong buhay pa siya, you are Peter, and on this rock I will build my church, and to you I will give you the keys of kingdom of heaven. Matthew 16:18. Jesus gave Peter an authority to build a church, and that the short story of St. Peter's confession of faith to Jesus, and with his successors, the key to the kingdom of heaven. St. Peter is a son of a living God, and with his successors. That's all, my friends. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.